What is going on, boys? It is your boy Tyler and Carson making a brand new video today. This is the first ever video we've ever made. So what we're going to be doing today, I'm just going to cut it right to the chase because we don't need a long intro. This is what we're going to be fishing, okay? We're going to be fishing this right here. This is what we're going to be fishing. We're going to go all around. You saw a fish jump right there. There's a fish jumping right there. But pretty much, we're going to be fishing this whole entire time. We're just going to fish all around. We're going to see if we can catch any big boys today. So, that's the goal. Hoping for the best. I'll see you guys later. All right, boys. So we're going to be doing the do. Let's go ahead and get this thing popping. Let's give it a little flick of the wrist. Okay. We're gonna see how we do today. I don't really know so far, but oh man, I just saw a fish come out of that tree. When did this tree get in here? I haven't been here in a while, guys, so, but I know, I'll tell you guys right now that there are probably some fish in this tree. Under it. Most likely. No! Oh my God, did you guys see that? Literally, first bite. But that fish took it. I don't think he had it all the way, and that's why I didn't get a good hook set in him. We're gonna cast there again. Come on. Come on. Come on, go over to it. Right there. Oh my God, that's right in the middle. Please get hit. Come on, Froggy. Come on, Froggy. I thought it was kind of cool that we got a fish, but I think we're gonna have to move. I don't think this fish is here anymore.
Meanwhile.
Alright, what's up, guys? We're gonna go with that first cast vibe. A lot of people say that first cast is bad luck, but we're gonna find out today. I'm fishing with a bubblegum pink fluke, weightless, and I'm just kind of letting it pop to the grass. At least that's the goal. Hey, listen, I ain't gonna lie with you. Most snags and hook sets make you believe it's a fish like crazy. So, as unbelievable real as that is, sometimes I believe sticks more than I do bass on their biting skills. There's so much grass, and for some reason there's a ton of foam over here. I'm hoping maybe, possibly, we'll get one to bite over here. There's a culvert just a little bit down that way, and I'm hoping that a couple of them are in that culvert. If that's the case, uh-oh. Oh! I just smacked the camera and I broke off. Okay. Now I have to retie. A fish totally just made me break off. What?
Tomorrow.
Probably. Hey, this is first cast of the day. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's on. Just a little guy. Come here, buddy. Come here. My line's shot so tight, Dang, I went straight into his noggin. Booyah. That is fish number 1 of the day. Boop. Perfect. Just a little one. But that's just the start. Perfect. And the fluke's not even messed up. Let's go. On the bubblegum pink. Get right back out there. I just popped it to that grass and he was there. Okay, so. Oh! 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 Okay. For the 80th spider. Okay, this is spider infested forest. This is a spider infested forest. Unbelievable. Oh my god, there's another one. Cheese and rice. Cheese and rice. Okay. Problem is, this wood is so thick. Which usually is not like the worst problem, but it's not exactly the best when I'm out here trying to catch a fish. So let's see if we can't snag a fish over here. Come on, eat me, eat. There's a big bass cruising, There's a nice bass cruising. That probably just spooked the garbage out of him. Oh, he was full on cruising too. Oh. For some snakes up in here. I mean, I chill with snakes. I like snakes, so if it gets 2 reels, we will get them okay. So, at the moment, I'm really just trying to see if I can't get a reaction out of these fish. Oh, hang on. Oh, there he is. Got him. Oh, he's, oh. He was not. He was huge. No, he was actually decent. I mean, he wasn't huge, but he was probably like 2. Oh. Oh, that sucks. I set the hook into him, I thought, pretty good. Alright, you know what? Next time, I'm going to swamp the next bass that shatters my lure. I'm just going to beam him straight up out of the water. That's the plan. Oh my god. Oh, that was such a good hit, too. Dang it. Dude, I had that fish dead to rights. Oh. Oh. That is so sad. Oh my gosh. These giant frogs are going to end up ruining me. Oh, I have a little beetle spin, like this tiny little, oof, blade bait looking thing. I was thinking about throwing that, but I don't know. Oh, let's go. All right, right on the edge of that grass, like we thought they were gonna be. You better stop your flopping. Perfect. Number 2, kind of nice. We'll call it, oh, he's pretty. He got dark colors. Alright. Let him go. Perfect. We've got all jacked up. It's cool. It's kind of what we like to see. If you start the day with a fresh fluke and end with a dookie fluke, probably means that you had a decent day of fishing, which is what we like to see. You know what I'm saying?
A few moments later.
Well, I guess my camera's been off this whole time.
Yeah, it was.
My camera's been off this whole time. No. No, but I had 4 blow-ups. Yep. Maybe I'll have it. I don't know.
No, I don't have it. I lost all the footage.
I didn't know it shut off. I mean,
Yeah, I'm an idiot. It's fine.
that's what I'm saying. I've had like 4 bites here, dude. I'm sorry I had a fish. I think that was a fish. Alright guys, so we are at the second pond today. Currently throwing a buzzbait. Honestly, if I don't catch fish at this pond, I'm gonna be super disappointed because I haven't caught one all day, so super unfortunate. Alright guys, so I'm disappointed. I didn't catch any fish, but got free content out of him. He caught all the fish, so that kind of sucks, but it's whatever. I'm gonna wrap it up, but really quick. The second pond that we went to, we caught no fish at all. We got nothing, but we both fall, pretty much. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut to the clips real quick. So here you go, right there.
I don't necessarily want to walk around the pond, but I guess I'm gonna do it anyway, because boy, it is hot. Ow! Oh, I did. Don't worry. Ow, that freaking hurt. Oh! Oh, there goes my hip bone, buddy.
You going back to the lake? What do you mean? I'm so confused right now, Haley. God damn it. Everyone has eaten shit today. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is our first ever video, so please in the comments let us know what other videos you'd like. We got a couple videos up our sleeve that we're thinking about doing, so but we want to know your opinions. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we will see you next time. Peace.